Good planning is the key to a successful project, and moving office is no exception. If the entire process is well planned, disruption to the business can be minimized. That's why contacting ARC Relocation should be one of the first things on the to-do list. As experts in commercial moving and winner of the AIM Commercial Mover of the Year Award in 2018, ARC Relocation can provide valuable insight and help with the planning. We offer services ideal for businesses, including comprehensive storage, industrial machinery removals, information technology relocation service, confidential data destruction service, furniture supply and installation services. Our project manager will liaise with your designated coordinator to provide a detailed schedule of work, which includes method statements, risk assessments, any required health and safety documentation, and contingency plans. The project manager will be on site throughout the move and will oversee the entire physical aspect of the office relocation process. Speak to our team at ARC Relocation today for a bespoke moving day plan just for you.